Welcome to the Stone Age. We are in the Stone Age park close to Albersdorf. We started in here where they have a little exhibition of things they found in this park. So if you're interested in how they made their first tools or how they switched from stone to metals or anything like that, then that's the perfect exhibition for you. And now we're gonna see how things looked back in the times in this park. You're excited?
Yes.
Are we gonna hunt some animals today?
We will try to find a mammoth.
We're trying to find a mammoth, yes. We're not leaving before we find a mammoth. Of course, as you might expect, they have lots of untouched nature here. And then you have the hunters and the gatherers. In our case, we're gonna be the gatherers because I just spotted this right here. Probably gonna be very good. Yeah, like that's how they did it in the Stone Age. They just collected berries or hunted mammoths or something. Very good, very good. I'm a very, very successful gatherer, I would say. We have another gatherer here.
If our husbands don't find mammoths today, we have to eat berries.
Reindeer hunters right here. They were here around the end of the Ice Age. They're still here, as you can see. And the funniest thing is also that many people here are also still dressed like people were in the Stone Age. So it really gives a way more authentic feeling like that. And you have the smell of fire, you have people still work in the, I don't know if you can call it professions, if they already had that in the Stone Age, but you get what I mean. It really makes it a very immersive experience somehow. Ancient games. There you go.
I was good at ancient games.
Yeah, now we're trying to catch some animal with a trap. So we already kind of evolved here, but we may have not evolved enough to figure that out yet, I guess.
And an animal that's...
Somehow like that, yeah. Yes, we learned how to make paint. We also learned a lot of other crafts today already. And now we're on a wall where we can paint things. Yes.
In a light.
I am now a warrior. Or what exactly is the sign that you're putting on me? What does it mean?
It means you're a loser.
High enough rank, so not the one that you gave me. When you died, you went into this thing right here, so it's only for people with a higher kind of status. The others basically just had their mass graves, those huge hills, grave hills. You also see them here sometimes. So usually you probably just ended up in one of those things right here. It's a little bit too far down for me to climb in there now, gonna get everything dirty. Yeah, that's where you would have ended up, and also not really in one piece, but just your bones randomly scattered across this grave. Nobody really cared. If you have a little bit of time and extra strength, you can also try out the previous invention before we had the wheel, which is basically placing those wooden things in front of this cart, then pushing the cart, then placing them again and pushing. Yeah, show us. Pull, pull, pull. How fun it is to transport stones, huh? Very nice place if it's good weather and if you want to see more about the Stone Age and some historical places around here. There's only one thing better than breakfast, and that is second breakfast, which we're having here in Husum today, which is, yeah, also one of the more touristy towns in North Germany at the North Sea. We're currently sitting in this harbor district. You can see it a little bit in the back. We're just gonna get some energy because we didn't have coffee yet today, and for someone at this table, this is a absolute no-go. So here we are. After that, we're gonna see what we can find in this city. Outside of the main area of Husum, and we find ourselves in a little park which is hiding a castle made out of bricks, of course, just like everything is made out of bricks here. At first this might not seem that spectacular, even though it is already huge, but it's also the only still intact castle on the west coast of the North Sea of Schleswig-Holstein right here. Friedrichstadt, yes. We gotta be careful to not confuse it with our favorite Friedrichshafen, which is the partner city of Polotsk.
Yes!
But this is not the one, this is Friedrichstadt. It actually has the style of the Netherlands, because it were also lots of Dutch people who helped building this city with all the canals that are going through it. And we can also go there by boat, but before we do that, let's just have a quick overview over the city. Let's take a closer look. Right here in the background, the Dutch influence is really already visible. We're currently at some kind of little marketplace, and there's also lots of bikes, which is also quite typical for the Netherlands actually. If we go further into this direction where I'm going right now, we're also gonna go to one of those canals that go all through the city. Isn't that so?
Yeah, just though they say we have Netherlands at home.
And here they are, the canals of Friedrichstadt. I would say it's already pretty obvious what you can do here, and this is also exactly what we're going to do next. We're going to get on some kind of boat. We haven't decided which kind of boat yet, but you're going to see that anyway. Here we are at the, let's call it, harbor, and that is exactly where we're going to do the boat tour. Got the tickets and off we go on a round trip through all of the canals, and we're gonna maybe also learn a thing or two. Let's see where 15 euros take us today.